What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we're here with a new training product review. Let's go. Like I said, family, we're here with the new training system review, and you guys already know what it is. The Mantis System Laser Academy. You guys already saw our unboxing. Now it's time to review this product. We've done probably 10, 20,000 dry fire reps with this training system. We've also used this training system in some of our classes. We let our students try it out as well. And I can say our students honestly loved it, man. They love being able to pull the trigger on a real firearm and see that laser on the target to see exactly what they need to work on, if their sight alignment is correct and all their fundamentals are correct. So our students really love this Laser Academy product. Just to piggyback off of our unboxing, this is what the packaging looks like. This is what you guys will get with your Laser Academy. The biggest thing you'll get is these little stickers right here. They stick to your wall and they don't damage your wall. And you also get the Laser Academy targets. These targets really come in handy, especially with our teaching of the aim small, hit small, aim small, miss small. These targets are a nice size. Just to build out your good repetitions when you're dry fire training, man. Like I said, in this review, I'm going to keep it real with you guys. We absolutely love Mantis and what they bring to the table, man. And just so you guys, in case you guys want to give it a try, you think it's something difficult to it, it's not hard at all. You simply will put this laser right here inside your firearm and you can get to work. You don't need to download the app. You really don't even need the target. You can use any type of target that you would like. Sometimes we use these Mantis targets that came with it, and sometimes we use a target if we have a specific class coming up or we have some specific training that we would like to do. We use that specific target. You don't have to use the Mantis targets if you don't want to. All you need really is this Mantis laser that came with the system. They also have an app. I told you guys, man, the Mantis Laser Academy is amazing. Like I said, they have an app with a bunch of different training scenarios to track your progress and stuff like that. I know you guys are wondering what exactly is on this app. So look, let me show you guys what's on the app right now. All right, family. So here's the Laser Academy app right here. We just recently created this new one just so you guys can see how it is to start fresh. You have your drills, then you have your courses. Let's go back to drills. Then you have your history. This will be all your history so you can keep track of the drills you do, the times of the drills, just so you could see and track your skill set to make sure that you guys are actually improving. Then you have your settings right here. You can set up a bunch of different settings, a bunch of different sounds. As you can see, this is the name, my name right here, Dwight CFT, if you guys wanted to add me to your groups. All right, now let's go back to the training. Like I said, let's start with the courses. These are the courses that they have here. They have the pistol marksmanship course. These are the different targets you want to use. The following target distance is required for this course, which is going to be 4 yards. And they would like for you to use these targets here. Then you would just start course. As you can see, it's telling you what specific target to use, how many yards, how many shots, and the minimum score. Either 35 or higher. The pistol marksmanship course. These are the targets that you guys are going to need. And in order to get to the pistol marksmanship course you have to complete the pistol marksmanship course. Like I said, man, if you guys download this app and really get into it, there's a lot of things here that'll help you improve as a shooter. Now let's go to some of the drills. As you can see, there's a bunch of drills. Some of the drills are designed for pro, and some of the drills are designed for entry level. So what we're gonna do here, here's a tutorial of the basics. That'll just walk you through the system and how to work it. Then you have the tutorial for your laser offset and tutorial on how to set up manual targets. They have open shoots. They have, like I said, utilizing their different targets, the bells and stuff like that. Frosty the Snowman, Bullseye 10 shot, Bullseye 5 shots, Duel, which is multiple targets. Like I said, man, anything you need to get better as a shooter, this app has it. That's why we highly recommend the Mantis Laser Academy. See, the app is pretty cool, right? It just adds something to the Mantis system, doesn't it? Like I said, man, I love the Mantis Laser Academy, and I guarantee you will too. If you're interested in the Mantis Laser Academy, all you got to do is click on the link in the description below, or you can visit our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com, and click on the affiliates page, and you'll see Mantis right there, man. Make sure you give the Mantis system a try. They have a bunch of different products that I guarantee, man, you guys will love. Like I said, man, be sure to check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. Also, like, share, and subscribe to this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.